Dear friends, welcome to Rama's Cooking World. Today let's see how to make pineapple jam with just two ingredients and without any food color or preservatives. Friends, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button too. So let's get started. Into a mixer, add pineapple chunks. Grind it into a puree. Only if it is required, add some water. Now strain the pineapple puree to get a smooth and lump-free jam. This will make the whole process more easier. Into a pan, add pineapple puree. Here I have taken 1 pineapple. Now add sugar as required. I have added half a cup of sugar. Now it's all about cooking and stirring again and again. After 20 minutes you can see our puree has declined in volume and became thicker and stickier. Let it cool down for some time. Now as you can see, the final product looks like this. Do try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you everyone.